Hello students, today in this video we will see how to install Java. So to install Java, first we need to download Java. So for that you need to open one browser, favorite browser of your choice. I will open Google Chrome and search Java JDK space download and hit enter, and you will see this link from Oracle. So www.oracle.com/java. You just click here, and you will enter to Java download sections. So yeah, now at the time of recording this video, the latest version is Java 20. So please make sure that JDK 20 is selected, and then go to your operating systems area. For me it is Windows, so click on Windows, and then you can either choose x64 installer or x64 MSA installer, but my recommendation is choose x64 installer. So that is second one, and click on it. So it will take some time to download it. So it is around 160 MB. I have already downloaded in my PC, so I'm just pausing this. So let's see how to get install with Java. So let me minimize this. So I have kept the Java JDK setup file here. So JDK-20, that is the latest version, and x64, this is the bit operating system. This is my computer is 64-bit operating system. So right click on this and run as administrator, and then click on S. So we are at the beginning of Java installation now. So it will ask, so this is Java wizard, that means setup wizard. Now click on next. So please remember this path, that means C: program files Java JDK-20. This path comes in handy in future. So so I will tell you later. So this path is, make sure that you note it down, or you please remember this path, and then click on next. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to install Java in your system. So I got the confirmation saying that it is successfully installed. Now you can close it. So we have successfully installed Java in our system, but the thing is we need to add a path variable into the environment variables so that we can run Java programs from command prompt. So in order to do this, so go to your Java installation folder. So that is why I told you to remember that path. So go to C drive, and here program files, and then we have a folder called Java. Go inside of it, and then JDK-20, and then go to bin. Okay, so here you copy this path. Okay, what is the path? C, program files Java JDK-20 and bin. So copy this path, and then search for environment variables. So there's an option called edit the system environment variables, and then you hit enter. So this window will open. What is the window name? System properties window. So you click on environment variables section. Okay, then there's a concept of path here. So under the section of system variables, we have path variable. So select path variable and click on edit. So my Java path is already added, but I will remove it for your convenience. So I will re-add the path again. So you click on new, and then paste that path. Okay, what is that path name? C, program files Java JDK-20 bin. Okay, this bin needs to be there. Okay, so then hit enter, and then OK. In this window also you click on OK, and then here also you click on OK. So now open the command prompt from the run window, and then type this command called java space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. So it will show which version java is installed in our system. So we have installed java 20, so that is visible here. So by this we have successfully installed java in our system. So let me write some basic programs, so how to execute from command window. So these things will show, we'll see now. Okay, so for that you just open notepad. Okay, so write a sample hello world program, and then we can see how to run this, how to compile and how to run this file. So let me write a class first, class test. Okay, and then we have to mention the main method, that is public static void main, and command line arguments in string format, string arguments. Okay, and then I can say system.out.println hello world. So basic simple program. So system.out.println, in quotations marks I am adding hello world, then I am closing the string, and I am closing this main method, and I am closing this class. Okay, and while saving you just use .java as extension. So for every file you will have the extensions. For example, if you take images, you will have .jpg as an extension, and for PDFs, .pdf as an extension. So for every file there will be some extension, so you need to add that extension while saving it. So I can say first prog.java, and I will save it in D drive. So I can say programming and java basics, and I will save here. Okay, so first prog.java is saved there. Okay, if you want to go to that location, you go and see if that is visible or not. So in the programming section we have java basics folder. Inside it we have saved first prog.java. If you open with notepad++ or notepad, you can see our code. Okay, so let's see how we can run this code. For that you open the command prompt and go to that drive. So how you can do this? So you can directly click d:/enter, and you will enter into D drive, and we need to enter into programming and java basics. So you need to enter into programming first and then java basics. Okay, so change the directory and then set, and then say programming. So we will go to programming folder. Okay, so we are inside the programming folder, and you need to move one step deeper, that is java basics. Okay, so for that you need to type cd and java basics, and then click on enter, and we are here. Currently we are here. So in order to compile the java program, you just type this command called javac, that means java compiler space the I mean you have to put your file name here. So first prog there is one thing you need to take care before you compile the program. So first, for inside this java program, what we have written, so we have written test. Okay, so basically please write this as test, so that it will be I will tell you what's the reason in further lectures. So let me run this test.java, and then click on enter. So after compiling code, you will have dot class, that is a bytecode, and this bytecode is platform independent. You can run this dot class file anywhere in the world. That means it is platform independent. Okay, so let me run this code now by clicking java space test. No need to give extension like dot class, Just give Java space test, it will run your program. So it will give hello world. So in this fashion you can run your programs through command line by using Notepad. So we will see how to install Visual Studio Code and how we can set up Visual Studio Code for Java in next upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.